on Valine a while ago, I prepped her skin. I prepped her skin using, first, I cleansed it. So kanina naggawa-gawa kami backstage. I cleansed it using what? Not other than tissue gel. Ano pa ba naman ang gagamitin natin, diba? So tissue gel. I cleansed it using tissue gel. Then nag-hydrate ako, but using, of course, MAC, because that's my other family. I hydrated it using charged water. Then, I moisturized her face. Entire face, but I didn't apply on the eyelids, because applying on the eyelids will just cause creasing. So, after moisturizing, I applied eye cream. And of course, yung conditioning of the lips is always a part of my pre-makeup routine. Why? Kasi para to soften the lips in preparation for the lip tube. Yan. So, for a natural glow, huwag na lang. For a natural glowing skin, I use natural radiance primer. So, as you can see, wala ka makikitang trace ng powderette sa fez ni MAC. So, sa pag-start pa lang na paglagay ko ng primer, boom! Meron nang nagaganap. May glow na. So next, now for a natural looking skin, what I suggest is you use a foundation that's creamy and moisturizing. So, why creamy and moisturizing? I don't like matte. Ginagamit ko ng the matte if from a shoot, sa TV, commercial, yung mga ayaw ka ng oily. But, sa totoong buhay, syempre we want glowing skin. So if it's matte, too flat, it would look too flat. And if it's so luminous, it would look too moist to be natural naman. So, what else? Creamy and moisturizing foundation is best for skin with fine lines and skin with wrinkles. Of course, you use the right amount lang. Kasi the more you add, the more chances of winning wrinkles. The pronounced lines. So, ladies, be careful with how much you put. Huwag naman ang exage na. Kasi, ay, parang may blemish pa dito. Lagay na naman. Ay, parang hindi pa ako kontento. Lagay na naman. Wag. So, para mas natural looking nga. Because, we don't want to exage the fine lines or the wrinkles. Kasi hindi mo naman maiwasan na, di ba? Ngayon, at the age of parang 23, meron na, because of exposure.
Bakit sa akin nakatingin?
Ay, nagpukwento lang.
Hindi, okay. Medyo parang may natatawa, okay?
Now, how do you find the right shade? What I do is, of course, if we shop for foundations, you go to the mall, you ask the salesperson yung 3 possible shades, and then you swatch it here para makita mo. And kung sino yung parang nawala lang sa skin, that's the best color foundation for you. Then, using your finger, pag pansarilit gamit naman, you can use your finger for application and for blending. You may use sponge just to dab, para wala lang siyang edges. Same thing with a concealer. You may use concealer using yung ring finger, because that's yun yung may pinaka-lightest. So ring finger and then dab it again, once again with the sponge. Lastly, ito na pamakita ko sa inyo dahil ito ang pinakabuwaga. Charot. Charot lang. Eto. Kasi ngayon medyo kahit na iwasan naman natin, hindi masyadong sexy kapag medyo oily dito. Yeah. And of course, I want the under eyes. There. Konti-konti lang, bati. There you go. And then, eto na yung mga nakakapag-dewy look. It's Max Skin Finish eh. Diba? As you can see, tsura pa lang, dewy na. Diba? So there you go. Ganito yung tsura ko ng kabataan ko eh. Yan. See? Mas healthy looking skin. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Sir Christ, actually matagal na yung ganitong trend. Yung natural skin, puro skin lang. But since hindi nga ma-embrace ng ating, yung ibang kasama natin na yung ibang Pilipinas na dapat sobrang matte, laging matte, oiliness is next to poverty, mga gano'n. So, ngayon, at least you vloggers, you can tell them na mas natural, mas healthy looking ang skin kung medyo dewy siya. Less ng pag-apply ng powder. In closing, I would like to share that beauty really comes from within you. Can you raise your right hand? Come on, guys, raise your right hand, tap the shoulder of the person on your right, and say, beauty comes from within you. Now, raise your left hand, tap the shoulder of the person on your left, and say, nobody but you. Ayan, nobody but you. Ngayon, in closing, guys, yes, I know it sounds so cliche that beauty comes from within. But it's really very true, to tell you honestly. This is the time of my life that I feel so beautiful. This is the time of my life na feeling ko ang ganda-ganda ko. Why? First, I feel so blessed because my family and I are healthy, alive, and safe from the typhoon Yolanda. And second, I know for a fact that there is an almighty being who loves us and who died for us. So I need to do my part and share His love and the talent He has given me. So I'm sharing this with you. Yes. God bless you all. Thank you for listening.